Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Snap and tap the camera to create a new snap. Frame your subject and adjust lighting before adding stickers. Tap the sticker icon in the top right to open the sticker tray. Choose from Bitmoji, emoji, GIF, location tags, or uploaded images from your camera roll. Drag a sticker onto the snap and place it with one finger. Use a second finger to pinch and rotate a sticker for sizing. Tap and hold to layer stickers behind or in front of text. Pin stickers to moving objects by holding a sticker and selecting Pin. Play back a short clip and adjust the pin duration to match the movement. Use 3 quick taps to duplicate a sticker and create patterns across the frame. Combine text, filters, and 2 or 3 stickers to emphasize a point visually. Resize stickers to occupy 1/4 or half of the screen for balance. Use animated GIF stickers sparingly to avoid overwhelming the viewer. Preview your snap before sending to ensure timing and placement are correct. Open sticker settings from the sticker tray to manage your collection. Tap Update to refresh sticker packs and download seasonal or trending packs. Remove unwanted sticker packs by selecting the pack and choosing Remove. Upload custom PNG files with transparent backgrounds using the Upload button in the sticker menu. Label your uploads for easy reuse and search by name later. Enable GIF search and sticker trends to discover popular options quickly. Regularly update the app to ensure compatibility with new sticker features and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.